Hello everyone, myself Anushk Jain from DAV Thermal and today I am going to show you how to find the square root of a number. Before starting, we have to memorize a table which is given below. This table shows if any number ends with 1, then its square root ends with 1 or 9. If any number ends with 4, then its square root ends with 2 or 8. If any number ends with 9, then its square root ends with 3 or 7. If any number ends with 6, then its square root ends with 4 or 6. If any number ends with 5, then its square root also ends with 5. And if any number ends with 0, then its square root also ends with 0. So now let us begin with an example. Here we are going to take an example of a number 5329. In the first step, we will group the last pair of the digits and the rest of the digits separately. In the next step, we will observe the last two digits of the number of which we have to find the square root. Here the unit digit of 5329 is 9. According to the table which we have seen previously, the ones digit should be 3 or 7. So it means two answers are coming. Now just we have to find out the real answer. Now in the next step, we have to get the tens place digit. For this, we will find the least nearest square to the first group pair from left and then we will put the square root of that square in the tens place. Here we will take the perfect square less than the number. Here the number is 53. We all know that the 49 is the perfect square less than 53 and 49 is the square of 7. So 7 will be our first number of the square root of 5329. Now the question arises whether the number is 73 or 77. When this situation occurs, we will take the range in which the number of which we have to find the square root is coming. Now there will be two possibilities. If the number will be near to the smaller number, then the smaller number will be the answer. And if the number will be near to the greater number, then the greater number will be the answer. Here, the range in which the number is coming is 70 to 80. We all know that 70 square is 4900 and 80 square is 6400. As 5329 is near to 4900, so it means the smaller number will be the answer. So the root of 5329 would be equal to 73. Now to understand it more efficiently, let us consider one more example, 9025. Again we will group the numbers separately as shown. Then we will see the last two digits of the number of which we have to find the square root. Here the unit digit of 9025 is 5. According to the table, the unit digit should be 5. As there are no options, so the ones digit will definitely be 5. Now to get the tens place digit, we will find the least nearest square to the first group pair from left and then we will put the square root of that square. Here in 9025, 81 is less than 90 and we all know that 81 is the square of 9. So 9 will be the tens digit of the answer. So from here the root of 9025 would be equal to 95. Remember that this method is only applicable for finding the square root of a perfect square number. Now, I would like to thank all of you for watching this video. Hope you have learned something new and it would help you in your studies. Thank you.